how many things he knows. Okay? So ready for the challenge? Kashyap? So can I have the first slide? Okay, so here's the periodic table is ready. Kashyap, are you ready? Are you ready? So Kashyap, H. You have to name the element. Yes. Yes. He. Li. Be. B. C. N. O. F. Ne. Na. Mg. Al. Si. P.
15 phosphorus.
S.
16 sulfur.
Cl.
17 chlorine.
Ar.
80 lime gas.
K.
19 potassium.
Ca.
20 calcium.
Sc.
21 scandium.
Ti.
22 titanium.
V.
23 vanadium.
Cr.
24 chromium.
Mn.
25 manganese.
Fe.
26 iron.
Co.
27 cobalt.
Ni.
28 nickel.
Cu.
29 copper.
Zn.
30 zinc.
Ga.
31 gallium.
Ge.
32 germanium.
As.
33 arsenic.
Se.
34 selenium.
Br.
35 bromine.
Kr.
36 krypton.
Rb.
37 rubidium.
Sr.
38 strontium.
Y.
39 lithium.
Zr.
40 zirconium.
Nb.
41 niobium.
Mo.
42 molybdenum.
Tc.
48 technetium.
Ru.
44 ruthenium.
Rh.
45 rhodium.
Pd.
46 palladium.
Ag.
47 silver.
Cd.
48 cadmium.
In.
49 indium.
Sn.
50 tin.
Sb.
51 antimony.
Te.
52 tellurium.
I.
53 iodine.
Xe.
54 xenon.
Cs.
65 cerium.
Ba.
Be 57 lanthanum.
La. Ce.
Cerium.
Ac.
Ethyl PM 59 praseodymium.
Th.
ND60 leodymium.
Pa.
PM 61 promethium.
U.
SM 62 samarium.
Np.
EU 96 63 Europe. ED 64 gadolinium.
Okay.
TB
TB.
65 terbium.
Next. Dy.
66 dysprosium.
Ho.
67 harpium.
Er.
68 terbium.
Pm.
69 thulium.
Yb.
70 terbium.
Lu.
71 lutetium.
Hf.
72 hafnium.
Ta.
73 tantalum.
W.
74 tungsten.
Re.
75 helium.
Os.
76 osmium.
Ir.
77 lithium.
Pt.
78 platinum.
Au.
79 gold.
Ag.
80 mercury.
Tl.
TL 81 thallium.
Pb.
82 lead.
Bi.
83 bismuth.
Po.
84 polonium.
At.
85 astatine.
Rn.
86 radon.
Fr.
87 sulfur.
Ra.
88 radium.
Next. Ac.
Ethyl actinium.
Th.
90 thorium.
Pa.
91 pentactinium.
Okay. Okay, U,
92 uranium.
NP,
93 lithium.
PU.
94 plutonium.
Okay, next.
AM
AM,
96 samarium.
CM.
96 curium.
Next, BK.
97 berkelium.
Okay, next, CF.
96 californium.
Next, ES.
99 einsteinium.
Okay, next one.
SF
FM.
100 fermium.
Next,
MD
MD.
101 mendelevium.
Next, Echo.
No 102 nobelium.
Next,
LM
LR.
103 lawrencium.
Next, RF.
F 104 vodafonium.
Next, DB.
65 106 Wm.
Next, SG.
106 Wm.
Next, BH.
107 borium.
Next,
H
HS.
108 hastrium.
Next, MT.
109 bacterium.
Next, DS.
110 Wm.
Next, RG.
111 Siborium.
Next, CN.
112 Copernicium.
Next, NH.
130 Ligolium.
Next, we have
Fl
FI.
140 Ferrovium.
Next, MC.
150 Moscovium.
Next, LV.
160 Livermorium.
Next, TS.
170 Livernovel Telecine.
Next,
OD
OG.
180 Lagison.
Very good. Let's hear it for Kashyap. Yeah. So let's hear it for Kashyap. Kashyap, 100 elements. And to be honest, as adults sometimes, we need the support of going through what elements is the next. But you see here, the child actually helped me, to say which is the next element. That is how our young mavericks actually learn in their labs. So let's get it for young Kashyap and encourage him. Superb.
Dear parents,
Yes.
sorry to intervene. So there is a way to read the periodic table. Am I right? It's not like going by this. Ishan missed, but the child has beautifully picked up. I'm basically a chemistry student myself. So I'm so happy to see a child saying all the 118 elements with the atomic number. The number what he says is the atomic number. Not many of our senior secondary children, even in colleges, I believe they will be able to decode the atomic number, which is very essential when they go for balancing the formulas and equation in the later part of their life skill. Congratulations, Kanna. You have something to say?
Hello. Bye.
So these are the children, so innocent, but he is well trained. It is a cognitive neuroscience. The science behind this kind of education is cognitive neuroscience. I would like to hear a comment from one of our chief guests, Mr. Anand Subramaniam sir, who is actually into this field. Actually, he has 1,000 Brain of Brain Kids Academy and across 42 countries and 3,000 faculty members, almost 2 lakh plus children. And every day, he is a relentless traveler. You hardly see him in India, in and out of India every week. Lucky that because of this coronavirus, he did not travel this weekend to Dubai. Otherwise, he has his own franchisee and he is running his preschool also in Dubai. So we are happy to have him here. So every time, whenever he has his event, not less than minimum 5,000 children. In and out event is a part and parcel of his life. So we'll be so elated to hear from Mr. Anand Subramaniam what he feels about our children and how they have presented their skills. Yes, sir. Please.
Good evening, parents. First of all, the congratulations go to the parents because you decided to put your child in this program because not every parent thinks in the same way. So for big round of applause for the parents who are thinking in a different way. So I have when I finished my college, I don't know why I did BE Computer Science. I did my BE Computer Science and I started a Kids Academy business. So I thought I wasted a lot of my time in school and college learning, which is not much useful to me because I learned a lot of subjects in computer sciences, etc. Even in the college, I was learning COBOL, Fortran, Pascal in 95. So I completed my degree in 95. So when I came out, it was not there in the market. So we don't know Excel and Word. So I went for a course to learn Excel and Word. So that's what most of the things the education system we learn, and the practical is so much difference. So I was, before starting an education company, I was thinking we could do something to do different. So then I thought starting a school is very difficult. So let's go on a private thing. So we started a course called Brain of Brain. We cover around 14 topics. We focus on brain skills, life skills, and life skills for 4 to 14 years children. So now we are into 42 countries with more than 1,000 centers, as ma'am said. So with all this, I've been traveling to different countries. We see children of different background and the kind of they have the curriculum according to the standards. We see what is not there in the school and we give this.